Just from the pull, or because it's cold? 50-50.
Using it a lot, but it's slippery. That was a little sketchy, but good. Took some, definitely some clutch and balance. Yeah. After you get that first leap, you got to go around that tree.
Yeah.
It's going around that tree. That's like. Yeah, I had to like get my correct feet weighted, but then it was fine. Yeah, I had way too much momentum on top, and I just shot off. Climbing straight up is one thing. Yeah. Climbing up and then turning and then climbing up, that's another thing. Yeah. Whew. Especially with the gravity at your back, letting you know that you don't make it up, you're going down. Going down! Like, fast! You probably pick up speed on the way down. Yeah. Move down, I guess. What's down that way? We were just there. Oh, so we're going this way. Okay. No, we just came from that way.
Yeah. It's a loop that loops around to itself.
Yeah, I mean, we could go back to the house and start again if you want. Yeah. Would you want to go across and then down the hill, across the bridge and up the hill? Yeah. That way? Yeah. Well, I was thinking do the whole loop over again, but whatever. Oh, you want to do the whole... Like get back to the house and just start at the driveway and start at the beginning. There's some nice rock faces and stuff. Yeah, yeah, but we'll go that way. To get back? To get back. Oh, sure. So we can go up the hill. Yeah. Yeah. Sure. Yeah, let's do that. Up the hill. I don't know if you want to do Chris's hill or... Well, we can go look at it.
Well, the shortest way to that is back through there.
Alright.
But otherwise we could just do the whole big loop and it'll eventually bring us back there too.
He wants to go back to the house, so we're going to go...
So the house is physically right there.
Yeah,
so
we're going to go back that way, so we'll go
across the creek, across the bridge, back up, okay.
Yeah, physically.
So do we want to go the long way, the medium way, or the short way?
Just go back across.
Medium.
Yeah.
So this is the steep, skinny one.
Yeah, where's Randy? Wait for Randy. That's his park going across that fucking Yeah. This might be the challenge of the day, potentially. Or it could be like last time where we just climb up it. Yeah.
For some reason I'm doubtful, but... I spun like crap all the way down the bridge.
Huh?
I spun all the way across the bridge.
That's what I might have been afraid of. You might have been across the water. I think you might have been across the water. You crossed the water right there. Straight shot up almost.
Careful giving it power on the bridge. Uncle Joe just said take the water. Someone said this was a good idea.
All this time maneuvering past this one log that I was spinning on, I could smell burning wood. I spent all this time getting in position, and I fucking going, my bike had slid into neutral.
Ah.
I'm like, where, nothing's happening. It's doable. I mean, I lost my line, but otherwise I was trucking up it.
Yeah.
If I would have held my line, I'd have been fine. Getting down there might be fucking sketchy as fuck.
We don't have to go down.
Right, if they don't come up, then.
Well, we can meet them at the other piece of it.
Yeah. What's going on down there?
John's deciding to go through the water.
Oh, well, that's the better idea. If I wasn't already on the bridge.
Oh, as soon as I touched the bridge, it just whoosh,
Yeah.
and then I off the power and I rolled across and I tried to crack it on the other side and it just whoosh again. I'm like,
if you come down, you could like angle right across the water, drive right through it. It's intimidating is the only thing, but you could literally just drive right through it. It's not fucking deep. You could drive in one side and out the other, just where there's no locks. Uh-oh. That's a heavy bike. It probably went all the way to the ground. Is it in the water?
not in the water.
There's a spot where you can ride right through the water. There's no logs or anything.
Yeah, it's a little muddy.
Well, you didn't have any momentum. My point is if you come straight down and you could almost fucking just roll right through it.
Randy, right behind you there's a Y. If you go off to my right, your right now, the way you're facing me, your left, it will bring you to the bigger bridge.
Fine. That's where I'm going.
Okay.
I'm watching John suffer.
What does the chicken say?
I'm watching
Just digging a hole. You can do it! You can do it!
I lined up right at the edge of the bridge.
Me too.
Yeah, and I could smell my tire when I got to
Well, I
the
could
top.
smell like the wood. I was burning the wood under the tire. And I'm like, okay, this isn't gonna fucking suddenly get traction.
And then
So
I seen
had to like jostle the bike around, and then I was in position, and I like stand up, rev, and the bike's in neutral, and it rolls right back on that fucking piece of wood.
I seen the log there. I'm like, ooh, I might be able to get the side knobs to grab on and help force me up.